Hi, I'm Timo Arvala, CEO of Mintli. We work in the cybersecurity, IT, OT network and digital identity services. Well, I think AI is such a big topic and it's so much in the part of the business. I think if you want to be a forerunner, the best way is to discuss with other people, join events like this and learn from the different parties, different customer stories, all that. I think it's a great opportunity for companies like us. Of course, we want to be part of it. From the customer's point of view, it basically means a kind of business transformation. Of course, it's including that there needs to be reliable partners supporting the customers and as part of that journey. And of course, the business transformation. And we are definitely looking to be part of that. I think I had got quite high expectations for the workshop, of course for the sessions by themselves, but especially for the discussions with the partners. And I think we all want to have some concrete tools, lessons learned and customer cases, and be able to speed up the kind of development within our own corporations. That was my expectations once coming here, and I have to say that of course we are halfway, but so far so good. We've been going from the broader picture into details, into tools, into use cases and discussions. So it's developing well. I think one of the key learnings is to find the ways to be proactive and not to be reactive. And to be able to be proactive, you need to, of course, have a clear roadmap for yourself and then start to follow the roadmap and execute according to that roadmap. And of course, you need to build the messages you want to give out to your customers by utilizing marketing or, of course, sales. And then, of course, you need to have the tools to be able to support the customer journey as part of the business transformation. And then, of course, leading finally into solutions. I think I want to dig into the details of the solution builder as well as the game pamphlet. I'm really looking forward for that. Absolutely. It's not a product sales, it's a business transformation, solution sales, all that type of, and then of course there comes the technical solution at the end. But I think it's a much bigger thing than just a product feature presentation or something like that. So absolutely, yeah.